In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your Cloudflare account password. Whether you've completely forgotten it or just want to get back into your account after a login issue, I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Cloudflare login page. You can do this by typing the Cloudflare website address into the address bar at the top of your browser, then navigating to the login section. This is the same page you'd normally use to sign into your account, with fields for your email address and password, and a login button beneath them. Once you're on that login page, look just below the main login button. You should see a small link that says "Forgot your password." This link is specifically there for situations like this when you can't remember your current password or you're locked out. Go ahead and click on that link. After you click "Forgot your password," you'll be taken to a password reset page. Here, you'll see a simple form asking for the email address associated with your Cloudflare account. Take a moment to carefully type in the email you used when you first created your account. It's really important that this is the correct email address because Cloudflare will send the reset instructions there. If you're unsure which email you used, think about where you normally receive Cloudflare notifications or security alerts. That's usually the right one. Once you've entered your email address, double check it for any typos. A small mistake, like a missing letter or an extra space, can prevent the reset email from reaching you. When you're confident it's correct, click the send button on the page. At this point, Cloudflare will send a password reset email to the address you entered. It might take a minute or two to arrive. While you're waiting, open your email inbox in a new tab or window. If you don't see the message in your main inbox after a short while, remember to check your spam or junk folder as well, since automated messages can occasionally end up there. When the email arrives, open it and look for the password reset link inside. This link is unique to you and is usually time sensitive, which means you'll want to click it fairly soon after receiving it. Clicking the link will take you back to Cloudflare, but this time to a secure page where you can choose a new password. On the reset page, enter a new password that you haven't used before on Cloudflare. For better security, use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess, like simple words or common phrases. Confirm the new password if asked, then save or submit the change. After you've done that, your Cloudflare password will be updated. You can now return to the login page, enter your email address and the new password you just set, and sign back into your account as normal. That's all there is to it. You've successfully reset your Cloudflare account password.